going into the subject, I want to just know that how are you all feeling in the home. Yes, I think your written part, studies part have started. Yes, so whatever you have, I think you have a experience of your previous class. So in that same way, you can complete your work also, children. All the teachers are explaining how to do your work in their respective videos also. Yes, so no need to get tense, children. Complete your work in time, same like your previous class, and it should be in a neat and clean way. Maintain your books, listen to your parents, don't trouble your parents. Yes, study well and follow the safety measures of Corona also. Okay, children? Yes. So now let us move into our topic today. So as we have completed our lesson, My Body, in this lesson we have discussed about three things. One is internal parts, external parts, and staying fit and healthy at home. Okay. So I think every one of you have well learned, well known of this, all the three things what we have learned in this lesson. Yes. So today we are going to write the objective part of this lesson. Okay. For doing the objective part of this lesson, you require your term book, pencil and eraser. Okay. Now everybody get ready with your things, children. Sit properly. Take your pencil in your hand. Take your book. Sit properly. And here I have written the page number. Which page you have to open. Okay. So the first lesson, My Body. The page number 197 you have to open. Okay, children. So before going into your objective part, see here in the page number 196 you have new words. These all the things I have explained to you already in the lesson, but I just want to read it. You also listen, children. So open page number 196 and see the words here. Skull. The bone is the head that covers the brain. What is the skull? I said you in the explanation itself. Skull is the hard part which covers your brain. So the hard part whichever you are touching here, it is the skull of the head. Okay. Next to purify. Purify means what? Whatever the waste things, unwanted things are there, in that it will clean. Okay. The next one is oxygen. A gas that living things except plants and trees breathe in. So, what is oxygen? The air what we take inside is called oxygen, which the plants and trees they don't want. So, the oxygen what we take, the air what we take is called oxygen. The air what we breathe out is called carbon dioxide. Okay. Next. Yes, the next one also I have explained. See, carbon dioxide, a gas that living things except plants and trees breathe out. So, the human beings, the living things we will breathe out is called carbon dioxide. So, that carbon dioxide will be taken by the plants and the trees. Next one, spine. Spine is got a row of small bones that are joined together in the middle of the back. So back side will be there, no? In the middle of your back part, the bone will be there with this very small bones. So this is called spine, spinal cord. Okay. Next, filter. Filter and purify is little same, children. So this filter is also what the same like your purify. Whichever the unwanted things are there, they will take out, and whatever the required things are there, they will clean up. Digest. What is digestion? Digest. Whatever the things we will eat, it will make into very smaller parts. That is only called digestion. Okay, children. Now everybody you have understood about these new words, I think so. Yes. Now we will move on to the writing part in page number 97. Okay, so in page number 197, you have A bit. So your A bit is dealing with fill in the blanks. Okay, here they have given you options also, and they are asking you to write in the blank where they have given. Okay, children, when you are writing, your alphabet should be very clear and your handwriting should be very neat. Okay, now sit properly, look into your book where I am reading the question. Fill in the blanks. What is the first one? See, the first one, the parts inside our body are called dash. What are our inside the body? Inside our body, what are all parts are called? Are there? What they are called? See, they have given options also. They are called sense organs, internal organs, or external organs. Inside, if it is there, what they are called? Yes, they are called internal organs. Yes, you can write children. Okay, it is internal organs. See the second one. The dash controls other parts of our body. So which part? This is the main part which is giving information, which gives information to all our body. Which part is it? See options: heart, brain, skin. Which part? Heart? No, heart will pump the blood. Brain? Yes, brain will pass the information to all the parts of our body. Whether it is good or bad, brain will pass the information to all the other parts of the body. See the third one. Dash purify the air we breathe in. So whichever air we will take inside, it will be purified by which part? Kidneys, lungs, bones. Which part? It is lungs. Yes, kidneys will be down. They will also deal with the purification part, but it will be of some other work. It will purify blood and water. Lungs will deal with only the breathing part, the air. So lungs will purify. Lungs will purify our air, whatever we will take inside. Okay. Next one, the fourth question. Our dash helps us to taste food. For tasting food, which part will help us? Nose, skin, tongue. Which part? Yes, it is tongue. Very good. Tongue will help us in tasting the things. Okay. Next, fifth one. The skin helps us to dash things. Skin, what skin will do the fifth one? See the options. Skin will help us in seeing, feeling, hearing. What will do skin? Yes, skin will help us in feeling the things. It will feel. Skin will feel. Yes. Now we will move to the next one. B-bit. What is B-bit? B-bit is dealing with true or false. Okay. See, true or false. The first one. Our body is a wonderful machine. This is the first and foremost sentence in your lesson. Yes. So, is it correct or not? Is it true or not? True or false? Our body, they are saying it is like a very wonderful machine. Yes, our body is like a machine only, children. Why? Because our body from morning to night it will work. Okay, the internal organ it will not stop working also. Only the outer external part which will take rest in the night time, but internal parts till we die, all the internal parts will work. So it is like a machine. So you have to write a T. No need to write complete word. For true you can write only T. It is enough. Why? Because only little space they have provided there. No? So T is enough. Next, the second one. The heart is in the right side of the chest. So I think every one of you know what is right and what is left. Yes, the part which we eat the part which we will eat with the hand, that complete part will comes under right. The other part, the opposite part will comes into left part, left side. Okay. So now tell me, to which side heart will be there? To left side or to the right side? Yes, to the left side. But what they are saying? They are saying that it is right side. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. It is false. Now see third one. Bones are hard and strong. Bones are hard and strong or very delicate? Yes, bones are very strong. It is true. Fourth one. things, children? No, we should not. We never use sharp things for your ears. Not only for ears, whatever, if the thing is sharp, you should not use it. As you are small children, you should not deal with any sharp things. Okay? So, it is false. Next one is, taste buds help us to taste our food. Here, in that only answer is there. See, taste buds help us to taste our food. So, is it true or false? Yes, it is true. See, our third bit, C bit is of question answers. You will get answers for these questions later. Okay? Now, these all questions, this C bit you have to do it in your class work. So, for this you will get answers later. Now turn the page number 198. 198 you open. See, here you have think and answer. You have think and answer one question saying, mention any two activities that you can do with your hands and not with your legs. So you have to think and write only two activities where you are using your hands. Where you should not use your legs, only you should use your hands. What are the two activities you should write? Okay, so what are they? So here under that yellow box, space is given, no white color space. There you can write answer for this one. Yes, think and answer. Think and answer. The question is given in the rectangular yellow color box. Under the rectangular yellow color box, the white color space is given. No? So there you can write the answer. So what is the answer? Two activities. What are the two activities you will do with your hands? See, now what I am doing? I am writing. So for writing I am not using my legs. So the first activity is writing. And for writing, what I am doing? I am holding my chalk piece. So, I am holding my chalk piece. So, hands help you in holding things. Okay. So, these are the two activities we will do with our hands, not with our legs. Okay. First one is writing. Second one is holding things. Okay, children. Next, you see values and life skills. So here they have given you few pictures. You have to think whether that activity, whatever they are doing in the picture, is it correct or not. If it is correct, you should write a tick mark. If it is wrong, you should put a cross there. Okay. So do this as homework. By this we have completed our lesson objective words. Okay, children. So I will meet you in the next class with the new lesson. Okay. Write all this work and complete your book in a very neat and clean manner. Okay. I will meet you in the next class, children. Thank you.